We had 3 or 4 really good opportunities in the first half, at the post, at the bar. Keepers made 2 really good saves, and then second half we didn't start great the second half, but as momentum's gone on, we've worked them and worked hard and moved the ball, and I think the relentlessness of the players was the key today to get with the opportunity. Yes, it was very late, but all the hard work was done before that.
Dwi'n meddwl ar ôl wsos dwytha, o'n i'n siomedig bod ffilm Sgorio wsos dwytha, mae Pen-y-bont oedd yn tîm da, maen nhw'n chwaraewyr gret, a y ffordd maen nhw'n setio fy nebyn i o hyd, maen nhw'n tîm anodd i chwarae nebyn, enwedig efo'r ffordd maen nhw'n chwarae trwy'r cae i gyd.
Yeah, well, I look at the result today. I think if we had a stronger squad at the moment, because we've got loads of injuries, we probably would have made subs that would have seen the game through to get a point. I also think in a game like that, you're looking for a lifeline now, whether that's a goal or whatever. Today should have been a red card for Redmond. He's a top player. He should have had 3 yellows. He didn't. He got 1, and that's not to say that we deserved necessarily to even get a point, but that would have been the lifeline and to made the game easier for us. And it's a big call, and the ref just didn't make it, so that's really disappointing.